Mainly control word, people can human trafficking, drug dealer, marijuana, everything about that. And then porn, got pornography, terrorism, everything. That's why you can account by yourself. You can imagine by yourself. Social media you can use by good thing or positive side or negative side. Depend on people. But I really totally agree with the best. Got the best lecturer, got them were in this universe like Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. If Mr. Fahmi Hanifa gonna be a president in 2024. Yes, remind my word.
Yeah.
Yeah, amen.
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 Yeah. In 2024, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa gonna be president of Indonesia. Yeah, we're gonna ban everything from United States, YouTube, Gmail, Google, everything made by on our country. Alright. Thank you for coming and thank you for attention. I really very I like I'm on the Klana for today because a lot of my best lecturer like Mr. Murtada and then Mr. Huda Pelis and then Mr. Fahmi
Felis.
Hanifa, including Mr. Irwanda. Even though Mr. Irwanda, I can see Mr. Irwanda when he come here and then share everything about English, share English, English. I mean, remember my word. From this day and in the end, the day, not only people but also animals can speak English, including mongoose can speak English. Analysis.